the Main Street Coalition, exercising a right that predates this building, this body, and every office within it, the right to speak freely about my government. A sitting member of this council, unhappy with my political speech, chose not to debate it, not to ignore it, but instead attempted to punish and silence it. In January, City Council member Nick Fritz sent an email to the chair of the Beaufort County Board of Commissioners requesting I be fired because he did not like what I said about matters of public concern. An excerpt of the email is as follows, quote, I imagine it's ground for immediate termination and a report to the bar. She's also a licensed attorney. If possible, I would like her conduct reviewed in a closed session at the next county commissioners meeting, and I'm hoping she will be asked to resign her position immediately due to her wildly inappropriate conduct. I've attached a link to hours of her videos, end quote. This email is inappropriate and it is unconstitutional. Elected officials are state actors, and when a state actor uses their position or influence to punish a citizen for protected speech, that's not politics, that's retaliation. It's a violation of the First Amendment, the bedrock of our American system of government and our way of life. The Supreme Court has been clear for decades. The government may not retaliate against a citizen for engaging in protected speech, especially political speech. And political speech criticizing public officials sits at the very core of the First Amendment. Attempting to get someone fired because you dislike their viewpoint is not governance. It's abuse of power. A citizen's statements based on public records, observable conduct, official actions, and documented facts such as emails are not defamatory simply because they are uncomfortable for you, Mr. Fritz. Criticism is not defamation. Accountability is not defamation. Transparency is not defamation. The Constitution does not protect the comfort of our public officials' egos. The Constitution protects liberty. I speak as a citizen about my government, and for that, a sitting member attempted to interfere with my livelihood. That should concern every person in this room and every citizen within our city, regardless of party, personality, or position. Because if it can be done to one citizen, it can be done to any citizen. Elected office does not confer the power to punish dissenters. I'm not seeking an apology. I'm demanding adherence with the Constitution. Now, unlike the mayor, who's currently suing our city in federal court on multiple claims, including alleged First Amendment violations for our city, I do not require an out-of-state law firm partnering with a bankruptcy attorney in Greenville, North Carolina, to file a lawsuit on my behalf. I am a Sassy attorney who's been practicing law within the state of North Carolina for almost 2 full decades. I'm all out of patience for mediocre elected officials trying to sidestep the Constitution. I do not need to be tempted with the opportunity to stand up for myself, my city, or my country within a justice system that I have spent my entire adult life working to preserve. Trust and believe, I am happy to oblige a fight for the Constitution. Furthermore, the city is hereby on notice. Another lawsuit is coming if Mr. Fritz and his tax team brethren do not cease their attempts to misrepresent facts, chill protected speech, and weaponize their elected office. As a final reminder, holding public office is a responsibility, not a shield, and certainly not a weapon. The Main Street Coalition will continue to hold you accountable to the offices which you have the honor to serve in. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mrs. Russell. Next, this